akọla m. Aga m agbakọ moto nke m akọla m. Jehova nye gị nghọta n'okwu ndị a. Afụfụ abụrụ ulu. Ọ bụ ihe eji ama nwa Chineke. A sị na ndị na-eme ka ha ga-adị ka ha. Ma anyị bụ ụmụ Chineke. Ngọzi bụ nke anyị. Baịbụl sị na ndị maara Chineke ha ga-adị ka ugwu Zayọn, nke a na-apụghị iwezuga ọnọdụ ya. Enwezue, onye nwe nke m akọla m. Aha ndị a niile na-adị m mma. Mmadụ ga-akakwa ibe ya, ma a sị ma onye nwe ibe ya nwetụkwa ka o wee dị mfe kọrọ na maka na mgbe ụfọdụ ndị ọgaranya nwa ebere ha na-emekwa m. Ụlọ ha bụ bankị. Onye bụ anata o kelee Chineke, o ji ego eme gịnị? Ma esi abịa mgbe ọzọ iwe abịa ya akọwa ya money miss road, onye ọgwụ ego maka na onye gị ya.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. I am Oko Emmanuel Onyeka Okulora, broadcasting from Enugu. Who is calling me? It's too early. I'm on a live video and I'm here to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and you're calling. It's not the right thing to do. I've continued to talk about this. You need to wait until it's time for these things to happen before you do them. Somebody say, who sing that song? It's for Obi Igwe. Obi Igwe is from Anambra State. Obi Igwe is from Omonia. So go to YouTube and type Nkema Kolam by Obi Igwe. I'm going to be very, very short and precise today. I know. I'm sure it's going to be hot because I'm going to be brutal. It has to do with governance. It has to do with all the problem we are passing through as a people, Igbo people, on the development. The Southeast governors, the senators, those in House of Rep in Abuja, or those in State Assembly, local government chairmen, all of them. And before I proceed, I'm going to briefly tell you what happened at Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium on Sunday when Rangers International of Enugu were playing against Akwa United of Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. People came from Onsoka, from Eziago, from Onkano, from all walks of life to watch Enugu Rangers at Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium against Akwa United, and surprisingly, shockingly, they were told that nobody would be allowed to go inside and watch Rangers due to COVID-19 restrictions. But they did not announce to the people earlier. Most of them came from Abugo, from Oka, from Nemdem. And there is no way to justify that. There is no way to somebody is disturbing me. Any day I want to do something that I want to do, something that is going to benefit all of us, or somebody is going to come from nowhere to frustrate me and make things difficult for me. When you are calling when it's not time, you are obviously distracting what we are doing. I am Okulora. And today I'm going to talk about Southeast politicians. All of them are terrible. All of them are disastrous. If you are a governor in Igbo land and you are terrible, we are going to tell you. If you are foolish, we are going to call you foolish. You know, we've come beyond the era of Honorable Excellency, pray for your governor. or pray for your senator, pray for your president. If you are in 2021, you are still praying for your governor who is using a motorcade of 30 cars, DSS, SSS, MOPO, police, military, civil defense. You are a bigger problem to the people of Nigeria. Igbo people more than Buhari. Pray for your governor, Ichinyake Nwineebe in a church. You are terrible. So, at Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium, a lot of people, let's say 200 people, we are restricted from watching Rangers and Aqua United. But I was here. The honorables from government house will come. People opened door for them. Local government chairman came. They opened door for him. What do they call them? The SA, the SSA to the governor, the PDP, and all that. All of them came and we are allowed into the stadium. And I was asking questions. I was asking them what is going on. One of them is local government chairman Enugu North. They call him Tata. I don't know who he is. But I said the local government chairman Enugu North. He came there. He gave a couple of people 1,000 naira. And they opened up for him. I told the security, the local government chairman you are hailing, you are opening door for, supposedly is my servant. And I told him, I'm Okulori from local government chairman. And I cannot find a way somehow to get my people to go into the stadium and watch a football match. I have no business going in there. I'm going to turn back and go home. But where will come from, people do not reason. Let's say, the hell, honorable, you are standing under the sun at Nnamdi Azikiwe Stadium. You are honorable, your local government chairman, your commissioner of whatever nonsense. All of them. They are in the stadium. They are SA to governor, SSA to governor, whatever nonsense to the governor. None of them could save you. None of them love you. None of them care how you survive. None of them care about how much intimidation and tribulation you've been through. They do not care. I don't know. But today, I am going to be as brutal as possible. And I'm asking, why is Igbo land underdeveloped? I don't know if you're getting the point. I don't know where we are watching from. I mean, Enugu is in terrible state. Anambra is disastrous. Abia State is the capital of nonsense. What about Imo State? Gota is gradually taking over Imo State. Imo State is taking over from Abia State. When you talk about a state being poor in infrastructure, what are we going to do? What about your governors, your senator? Ike Ekweremadu, Chukwuka Otazi, Chimaroke Nnamani, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi na Enugu, Willie Obiano. Willie Obiano is becoming a drunkard. I don't know, but from the little I know, with the little that I know, Willie Obiano is the worst governor in the history of Anambra State. Willie Obiano was terrible first time. Second time, Willie Obiano won an election in Anambra 21/21. Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi was terrible in Enugu. Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi won an election in Enugu 17/17. He won all the 17 local governments in Enugu State. He was able to plant loyalists, PDP, to all the strategic positions, offices, commissions in Enugu State. And I don't know, people are not complaining. People do not know this. Our people are more interested in gossiping and all that. And this week, I am also going to charge our people in diaspora because most of us believe that government-wise, we are not going to do anything. A lot of our talents, a lot of whom Igbo ma Guegu na-esi Igbo today, Faneri Igbo today, Fana Aquabaro today, Hana Alaru Niro today. They want to sing, they want to play basketball. They have talent in them. There are so many creative things they can do. But Nigeria doesn't have an enabling government, or they don't have an enabling environment, or enabling or supportive government. Those days in Onitsha, there are soccer talents who ended up in Umbuko Obosi. Some of them are pushing barrow in Obayon today. And these are some of the issues I want us to go over today. What are we going to do? How do we support our people? A lot of us are abroad. We are soccer experts and all that. We have connections. How do we extend your connections to people in Aba, in Owerri, in Enugu, in Ebonyi, everywhere? Our people are suffering. I've been in Nigeria for 2 years. I know the story. The hopelessness here is too much. People are just existing here. People are not living life. And the most annoying part is an idiotic, imbecilic governor. A governor in Igbo land, they got a few kilometers of road. Instead of opening the road for people to ply, They are going to do what they call commissioning. They are going to invite other governors and senators, all of them, to come and commission 10 kilometers of road. And each of these governors is going to come with a 30 Toyota Prado, police, army, senator is going to come. They are going to go and bring all the traditional rulers there just to commission few kilometers of road. Of all the basic amenities we have, I think road is the most common. Because for you to have running water, you need to maintain the water and all that on a daily basis and all that, to pump water. You talk about electricity. People pay for electricity. And people are on a daily basis working in the engine room, generating electricity. What is road? It's something you do today and then maintain the road after 5 years or so. A Southeast governor is going to build few kilometers of road and invite a senator, a governor, all the traditional rulers, all of them are going to come together to commission a road, a common road. I don't know where we're going from here. To commission a main road, a road built with my money. I think yesterday, Enugu State governor went to River State. Governor of Enugu State went to River State to commission a road. Not just him. There were kings there. And when do you know? When were political party members, more than 1,000 idiotic people, they gathered, they were singing, dancing. They were partying, squandering our wealth because they want to commission a road. Okezie Ibazu went to Oyo State to commission a road. Ike Ekweremadu went somewhere a couple of days ago to commission road. Where do we go from here? Some of you are watching from Malaysia. Some of you are watching from Singapore. Some of you are in India, China. Some of you are watching from Philippines. If you get a governor or minister by commission road before, where do we go from here? What is the problem with black people? Because it's obvious. A lot of things are fundamentally, critically wrong with black people. Black people cannot reason. You know, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, will always tell you that what makes you a human is not your car, not your edifice, not your clothes, not your Gucci or Versace. What makes you a human is the ability to reason. If you cannot reason, you are worse than an animal. You constructed a road of maybe 200 million naira or 500 million naira to commission the road. A butter governor also, a butter senator, a butter in your state, a boy your political party, a tour canopy, a boy fino, a boy run town. You pay them money because you want to cut a ribbon. Your social media idiot, essay to governor, media whatever to governor, information, all of them are going to bring camera, NTA, AIT, because you want to cut ribbon of a road you build for people with their money. Who is a governor? A governor is a servant. A servant given the privilege to take people's money and work for them. And that servant is going to be paid salary. I don't know where we go from here. Enugu Onitsha Expressway is the shortest way to mortuary. Enugu Onitsha Expressway is terrible. Enugu Port Harcourt Road is terrible. All the roads in Igbo land are terrible. Again, called me and so Kula, I live in Owerri. I'm from Abia State. If you want to go to Abia State, that Christmas, if you want to go from Owerri, you have to go through Akwa Ibom. You have to go through Akwa Ibom or Calabar. A lady called in this platform to tell me that for them to go to Abia State, certain village in Abia State, they had to go through South-South. You are in Southeast. You go through South-South. You come back to Southeast. Okezie Ibazo is terrible. During Christmas, people are suffering. No road in Abia State. People are unemployed. No money. People are stressing. People are contemplating taking suicide. Okezie and the wife, Okezie Ibazo, is celebrating marriage anniversary like Indian people. Okezie Ibazu is a disaster. But for you to know how disastrous, how irresponsible, how irredeemable, how terrible a black man can be, Okezie Ibazu is going to go to Senate after being governor of Abia State. Black people are that foolish. When Okezie Ibazu comes out, people are going to Honorable Excellency. What is honorable about governance in Abia State? What is excellent about governance in Abia State? Where do we go from here? If I talk to black people in 2021 and people fail to reason, people fail to realize when to deal and when to fight, I am going to turn to something else, because It beats my imagination that on a daily basis, I buy fuel, I buy data, I struggle with my backache, with my spinal cord issue. I sit for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, calling our people, chanting, singing, doing everything possible for our people to start to reason. But in the end, they do not reason. And I do not know where we'll go from here. Nyesom Wike killed the Igbo people a couple of months ago. Nyesom Wike is an unrepentant thug. Nyesom Wike is a cultist. Nyesom Wike, the governor of Rivers State, is a rogue. He's a criminal. He's a thief. He's not intelligent. He's foolish. Nyesom Wike killed Igbo people in Obi Igbo. Nyesom Wike might still be killing Igbo people in Obi Igbo, a place called Obi Igbo. Obi Igbo means the heart of Igbo people, the center of Igbo people, the capital of Igbo people, the settlement of Igbo people, a place dominated by Igbo people, a place owned by Igbo people. Nyesom Wike went there with the military, and they wasted lives. Bloodshed everywhere in Obi Igbo. No media coverage there. And yesterday, Enugu State Governor went there in solidarity with Nyesom Wike, a man who never said sorry for killing Igbo people, a man who never compensated the family of Igbo people. He wasted. Rather, Nyesom Wike was giving reasons why more Igbo people in Rivers State should be killed. Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, the governor of Enugu State, went there to help Nyesom Wike commission a road. If in 2021 a governor will build road with your money and still gather friends and family to come and do party and all that, I don't know, black people, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Uwama ozo chukumonso seblo wa. Onye na-eme match of Igbo onye Canada ma Australia. Abo na ịchọrọ ka m si side ahụ, ọ bụ New Zealand ma Netherlands or Republic of Ireland biko ka njebe. Black people are causing me tears. I don't know where we'll go from here. How do we develop Igbo land? What are we going to do? Let's talk to governor. Governor is going to kill you and all that. Otondo ebugai. Either Ali Chukwuma or Celestine Ukusin Otondo ebugai. But I can assure you, if I the Aburondo, there is no electricity. I am running generator on a daily basis. There is no electricity. And our people are not concerned. Caller from Germany. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Good afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon, Okurora. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. Go ahead.
Yeah, I just want to appreciate you for
Thank you very
what
much.
you've been doing.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for exposing them.
much.
You know, the rot has been terrible.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So, my own contribution is this. You see, we have a big problem in Igbo land.
Yes.
Our leaders are a problem.
Yes.
Now, I've seen the last video you did showing the Enugu Onitsha Expressway.
Yes.
It was a mess.
It's a mess.
I was crying. I said, "What is this? How have we gotten to this stage?" Okay. It's really terrible. Now, Enugu State, I'm from Enugu State. Enugu State Governor, what is he doing? Even the roads that he inherited, the good roads, why is he not maintaining them?
He's not maintaining them, and nobody's asking questions. That is the point. And he's going to go to Senate.
What major project has he executed?
Nothing. Nothing. And he's,
what is wrong with us?
And it's over 5 years already. Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
I mean, Enugu should be our pride. Good. Why can't he? You know why he pains me? These people come abroad, they see all these things here. Yet when they get back to our homeland, they do the worst. They just do the opposite. Is it a good thing? Is it hard for them to put on the good road? Is it a big task to do? Are they doing these things with their money?
No.
Like the last time I saw River State Governor,
Nyesom Wike.
Is it Delta State? Yeah, that one is a useless man. Now he's saying he's going to commission some projects. The last time Delta State Governor was commissioning some projects, a road. See, you built a road with taxpayers' money and you're spending millions of naira to commission it. Does it make sense?
It doesn't.
I don't understand what is wrong with us.
My brother, if there are 100 people like me, all of us are going to go to that venue and talk to them. They are not going to kill all of us. My brother, because they cannot afford antenna and all that. And these people are spending hundreds of millions of naira to commission common road. Who does that?
Can you imagine?
And nobody's talking.
Who does that? Where is it done?
Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Anyway, keep on the good work.
Thank you very much.
Encouraging you.
Thank you very much.
We're doing our best to expose them. Thank you very much, my brother.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Call me on 09017342796. Where do we go from here? It's obvious our people, a lot of us are finding it difficult to reason, but we're going to help them. Caller from South Africa. Good evening. It's 4 p.m. already. Good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
On them. Good evening.
I'm Chinedu. I'm calling from South Africa.
Thank you very much, brother.
Yeah, my brother. If you name all the world, I am my way. In fact, I want to mostly know outside. I like it.
Thank you very much.
Because if I name, I bought if I need I want to buy, but I buy when I think I buy it, then I buy nonsense.
Yes, it is. It is.
Buy up there. I want infrastructure, and I mean, I buy what is at all. When any new express or the code. Then Enugu international market. I'm Enugu international
I know.
Market.
I know. I know.
I'm making a route 90 mile before they fly over. They call the about since all the car don't completed buildings.
One motom de na mechanic. Motom de na mechanic kemgbe. Why you did na mechanic? AJ Maoka from Enugu. That is why motom na mechanic. And I'm going to pay over 100,000 naira because since Enugu Joka, uza ade raw. I don't know why people are not asking questions. My brother, Nigeria is the safest place to be a politician. If governor buru 30 cars naga, ego onye ka o ji fuel the 30 cars. Iburu civil defense, ibu military, ibu police, ibu mopo, ibu 2SS. Onye ka ibu. Hogibu Chineke kere ụwa. People are suffering and you are squandering their money. Nobody's calling you. Nobody's asking you why, how, when, where, what.
That's the problem of Nigeria. Even here in South Africa, their president is still asking the query of their money, COVID-19 fund. And I'm not going to say the president knows what can I be caught as Azadi.
My brother, do you know that next Enugu election is 2023, man, they go campaign na 2021. Ike Ekweremadu is no longer in Abuja. Ike Ekweremadu is in Enugu. Obi ebe na village match, you have 50,000. Agobari Egu. Because he wants to be governor of Enugu in 2023. My brother, 8 years is enough. My brother, onye ma ife na atu egwu Chineke chia one state in 8 years. Obuna state ha agbanwere man oborom. Look at Ike Ekweremadu, 20 years in the National Assembly. Obiara na beach Enugu. Eh?
At least Sullivan, best, man. At least
he's better than others. Better than others.
Yeah, when you're facing Enugu is the answer of God. What I Enugu, I trust God, or God, and I trust it.
It's a shame. It is a shame.
It's a big shame.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Where are they? Where are they, brother? They are not. They can't. My brother, you know what is going on in Enugu today? You want a governor they must make essay to the governor. Even to 100,000. That's what they do.
Jesus Christ.
That is what they do. And all of us are not going to be sycophants. That is why I am Okulora. I am different. Whether you are hope or whoever you are, will you be a no? I am not. I won't ever be scared of telling you the truth. One thing must kill a man, brother. A lot of us are scared. Hey, governor is going to arrest you or they're going to kill you. If governor doesn't kill you, one day you sleep and never wake up. That is honesty. Reality. Thank you very much. Caller from South Africa. I appreciate. God bless.
Thank you so much.
You don't want to, governor is going to arrest you. This one is going to arrest you. Are you going to live forever? You are definitely not going to live forever. One day you are going to die. Caller from USA. Good evening, brother.
Good morning from here, sorry.
Thank you very much.
My brother, this morning, this is your topic this morning. It's one thing I'm expecting for you.
Thank you very much.
And all of us living in diaspora. We are the only people that can save those of our brother, brainless Nigerian citizens. We in diaspora, be you Yoruba, be you Igbo, we are the only people that can rescue them. Because we are finding it so difficult. When you will see these politicians, they will come to abroad. It's the same people in abroad, they're the same youth that will be carrying those politicians, taking them to where they will buy expensive car, where they will eat expensive food. I'm out for them. Let us begin change the narrative. Mazi, every day, yeah, America, they are building road. Every winter, they will go inside. Building road for snow. Once it's January or March, road construction everywhere. Mazi, the amount of money they are declaring to build road here is very, very cheaper than the one that Nigerian people are building. I never see government constructing road. Mazi, I've had the opportunity to go around the US 2 times. Mazi, every state will build road and connect to the next state. The next state will continue. Road is, there's no campaign. There's no, I never see politician campaigning here with road.
With road.
Nigeria, number 4th. Fourth oil producing country campaigning about road. I saw a video yesterday on Facebook. A woman with a baby, a little baby of 8 months, hawking a pure water. And the young guy asked him, "Hassa, how much do you make? How many bags you said?" He said about 8 bags a day. Do you know how heavy it is to carry water a day?
And she makes how much? 800 naira. Chai.
Less than $2.
It's a shame.
A day. And we living abroad here. We're praising those governors. Man, say I'm out. Whenever this, they haven't enter our trap anyway. We need to be beating these people. People are ready to go to jail. Americans, they want we to change the narrative. You can't go to jail here, beating the Nigerian politician. Like in Wike is a dead man walking.
He's a foolish man.
We in diaspora, and the problem, if I don't say, we in diaspora, the problem, because you are the one praising these governors. Look at Dino Malaye.
Showing
off a car.
Brother, let me help you. Brother, every day, Dino Malaye will be showing people new house, new car. Dino Malaye has more cars than Mayweather. And people are saying, thank God for you. The suffering people are praising Dino Malaye on social media. You see, I tap anointing. Idiots. Black people are mad. Sorry.
Your own money. Please, you need this topic today to be going this year because you need life of enlightenment. Nigerian citizens are not enlightened at all. They're not enlightened. Donald Trump, I've seen Donald Trump, the vice president of America, is the former governor of my state here. Yes. Okay? The vice president, Mike Pence, is the former governor here. I happened to see Donald Trump last year when they are doing the campaign. Donald Trump convoy is only five. The convoy is only 5 and 2 bikes. Then you now see security police everywhere. But Nigerian local government chairman, we have more than 30 convoy. And Nigerian citizens, whenever you see, like I've seen Dubai citizens studying in America, enjoying the oil given to them by their God. But Nigeria own few cabals, because they'll come to abroad, give our people here in abroad here $2,000.
Brother, let me ask you. Brother, the people we are fighting for are tapping blessing from Dino Malaye. Brother, if you talk about 5 most backward states in Nigeria, you talk about Kogi State. Ugboro neka Dino Malaye be atolu ga ko na ogwu olu na Kogi. Uzo olu na Kogi. Ndo onyelu aka na Kogi. Na obi okuwa egwu. Ogusi egwu otuo ikpem. Gosi gi watch. Dino Malaye invited Dele Momodu, a house store, Dino Malaye. That guy with more than 200 watches. A senator. With more than 200 watches. Senator. And people are dying of hunger. Emma Asiki God punish poverty. Need the envy of Dino Malaye. These are the people you are fighting for. You are dying for.
High school children here. Junior school children here. They are focused in their politics in this country. But Nigerian people, they say, live and German and do their own. Live and let their goal and do their luck. Make it chop you. Good luck, chop you now. Everybody chop you.
Rubbish.
You see, they are still living a life of dark ages. I'm talking this in. Be Yoruba, be Igbo. Let us begin hold this position. Whenever they come to abroad, let us hold them accountable. Look at the amount of money we're sending back home. We are sending individuals of Nigerians living abroad, sending back money we're supposed to save here to raise our children. We're sending it back home. What the government failed to do. Look at Tinubu. Tinubu is a drug dealer in Chicago here. In 1979, you have a case here in Chicago here. Tinubu cannot come to America here. But Tinubu now is the one that has private jet in Nigeria.
Tinubu is a kingmaker. He's a president maker. He decides what happens.
Tell me the job he's doing.
Brother, thank you very much.
Saying, I want to have a connection. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We want to help people in this platform. Even the brother that come from America now, I want to charge them. I know our people with capacity in this platform. achọrọ m ịkpọ na program anyị gwa m ife ị ga-emere ụmụazị be anyị na ị chọrọ izu ofu onye n'ọlụ aka na ị chọrọ iso ndị ofu onye na skuul eje chọọ nwa m akwụkwọ isi ọ bụrụ onye nke eje mụọ ọlụ aka ọ mụsị ya igonye ya tus ọ ga-eji na-eme ifo nchọ ka a na-eme. But before I will appeal to our people to do that, our youth need to start to reason. Ọ bụrụ na nọrọ ebe a na-eche ife a ga-emelu gị ka a ga-esinyelu gị aka ka ị mụọ afịa ka a ga-esi nweta gị scholarship n'obodo oyibo ka ije gụwa akwụkwọ ije na-efelu Willie Obianọ aka Willie Obianọ ime gburugburu okezie ikpeazụ Dave Umahi Hope Uzodimma ya na-emesi n'Imo steeti na hopeism. The same way they say Enugu is in the hands of God. In Imo State they say hopeism. In Anambra they say Willie is working. I don't know what nonsense they say in Abia State and Ebonyi State. We are in trouble. I appeal to all of us. Host a watch party. Tag your friends. Copy the link of this broadcast to your friends on Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. Share the video. You know, this is not a day to gossip. This is a reality check, a fact check. You tell yourself the truth. Where do we go from here? No electricity. I went to my village, no electricity. When I'm on a village, Fatona village, one village, they never, ever saw electricity for one day. Igbo land is underdeveloped. And it's not because we are lacking resources. I will oil, I will cocoa, I will everything. Obi say, Guami, Fiji, Ataho, or Baba Marisi Apoko Bagoba de Honko, Baba Marisi Apagoba de Ronko. Everything is wrong. Even because our people lack the ability to reason, and it is a factor. Where do we go from here? Let's go to London. Caller from London. Good evening.
Good evening, Okularo.
Good evening, Odogun. One name. You want a whim number that one? You want a whim? Awkward, you know, brother. Every day, no way. Ebum gallon fuel agahari every day.
I know. I have all these things far back. We have seen all these things. Some of us, you know, they took over during the Biafran War. Then after the Biafran War, we've been experiencing Maka to the Tagoro Negotago. Man, the problem one Nebiko. Let me drop this here because Emma, mini bido
yes, you're right.
You know. I cry, Chago, all of us, we are crying, you know, we Nigerians, this world, Nigerians, we Nigerians, all over the world, we are crying, our place is bad, no road, no electricity, no hospital, everything is bad, insecurity. We've been crying on this. Now, we have been crying for so many years. The point is that, the question I want to ask is there any solution? The answer is what? Yes. What is the solution to bring an end to this particular cry? All of us, we've been crying all over the world, whether you're Yoruba, Biafra, Arewa, or whatever. Now, I will drop this here. In history of mankind, every country that Britain colonized, or the colonial masters, Europeans colonized on earth. After the colonization, the next thing they will do is they will change their name and sit down and agree and say, this is what we want to answer and this is how we want to move on. Now, in history, Nigeria is the only country on earth that has never changed her name. The colonial masters gave her. That's number one. Number two is, without revolution, we will continue to cry this thing we are crying for the next 100 years. That revolution will get it. In the history of Nigeria, Nigeria has never had any revolution.
Yes.
See today.
Yes.
Why? Because without revolution, we are in London. London is beautiful. There was a time in their history they rose up and had a revolution. From that time, then industrialization. You know, they started developing.
You're right.
America, the same thing. India, the same thing.
And they are ready to do. They are ready to do again if need be. They are ready.
Okay, it's not that they are ready. The point is that when are we going to rise up, all of us, all over the whole world, in Nigeria, everywhere? I made a video recently, 1st of January. I was saying that all our youths, Now they've gone to church. Pastors have preached, giving them New Year prophecies, and everybody is shouting, I receive.
Amen.
I receive,
What are you receiving? Nonsense. You're
Good.
receiving nothing.
After receiving, you go back under, darkness. You go back with, bad road. You go back, no good hospital. Stay the same thing there, man. Year in, year out, year in, year out. Now, if Nigerian youths can rise up, I say even those pastors, teach your congregation to rise up and have a revolution for us to end Nigeria.
They cannot teach them. Brother, you don't know that these politicians, they campaign in church. Anambra election is this year. They have already started campaign from Catholic to Anglican to winners. And these pastors are always ready to welcome them for a fat envelope. So, I don't know where we'll go from here. I don't know what to do.
The next revolution that will happen, people like you now, you are there now preaching, trying to educate people.
Yes.
But the solution, all of us will have one single common purpose. That common purpose, we are going to rise up at a particular day and do what? Bring Nigeria to an end. All these politicians, how many of them? They will run away. Even the Fulani that is doing terrorism, that hijacked the government, killing everybody. How many of them?
Brother, let's narrow it down to where we come from. I know some countries that are vast. There are a lot of people. Then there are regions. Nigeria is one of the countries where you have regions. Though we have a central government in Abuja. My brother, Igbo land a decade ago, I am in Enugu. I went to Anambra and all that, Imo State, Abia State. My brother, in fact, 90% of the problem we are facing in Igbo land in terms of development are caused by our senators and, of course, governors. I want Biafra to come tomorrow, but before Biafra comes, my brother, Enugu Onitsha Expressway, the mortuary. The roads are bad. Enugu Port Harcourt Road is bad. Everything in Igbo land is bad. We have 5 governors in Southeast. We have 15 senators in Southeast. All of them are multi-billionaires. All of them are siphoning our money away. And people are clapping for them. Where do we go from here?
I understand. The other day you made a video. I saw the road. It was too bad. Very, very bad. Where I come from, Rocha Sokorocha is from my place. Even the road to enter my village now is cut into 2. But what I'm still saying, there must be what? A revolution. That revolution will start on a Biafra land.
Yes.
We'll start with all the Southeast governors, Southeast politicians. We have to get, start that cleansing from
my brother, the revolution is 2. My brother, let me tell you about revolution that I know is 2. One is peaceful, one is chaotic or violent. The best revolution in the world is when Anambra election of 2021 comes. Willie Obiano and all these political idiots, Andy Oba, Ifeanyi Oba, all of them will call for campaign and nobody comes there. It is a revolution. But our people, let me tell you about black people. I mean, Enugu, you are in London. So, in this regard, you listen to me. Willie Obiano ya onyoge me governor Anambra State by next week. Any day, Willie Obiano onyoge put a campaign. More than 1 million people are going to be there. Are these the people you are preparing for revolution? These people cannot reason. These people are not human beings. My brother, I'm a PDP political whatever meeting in Anambra. AK more than 1 billion naira that day. These are the youths we are fighting for. Everything, child support and all that. And still you are crying for these irresponsible people here. You to tell no my the difficult. Finding them responsible and sensible youth in Enugu is very, very difficult. Revolution is difficult. It's difficult. Because in the Malife.
Yeah, this is difficult because Hope came forth. They forced him on us, Nimo State.
Because now, we allowed them, brother. We allowed them.
Destroying. Yes, that revolution, because in Europe here, even in Ukraine, some European countries, you see them, they get their politicians, even when they have a pigeon and dustbin.
Yes. Oh, Ukraine, Burundi, Kefatuicha and dustbin. Nothing happened.
Yes. You understand me? So the point is that there is hunger already there. So that money, They use it to lobby.
Brother,
people.
Ukraine is hungry as well. Don't blame hunger. Okay, Kenya the 2,000 naira hunger nago. Ukraine the more hungry than Nigeria. I know Ukraine very well. Let's not use the yardstick of Agode. Anybody the foolish. We are looking for a society where people who are unemployed are going to be paid, where there will be running water, constant electricity, opportunities and fairness, and all that. You cover Ago issue, brother. When you are talking about Ago, you are encouraging these people. Ukraine, Ago the day. People are fighting. Venezuela are fighting. Brother, do you know that tiny Hong Kong resisted Chinese government? If you talk about military might today, finances, you talk about China. China wanted a policy in Hong Kong. People of Hong Kong said no, and it never happened. Come on to elect the right person. My brother, Imo State, Potani Ilo, Sina ho oppose on the Manche, for ho oppose on the Manche. Am I even defending Emeka Ihedioha? Emeka Ihedioha have been in Imo State politics for more than 15 years or so. What has Emeka Ihedioha changed? All of them, Ihedioha, Rocha Sokoro, Chozodema, Ararume, Ikedioha Kim, Achikudem, all of them are the same people. So far that I know, they are the same.
Freedom is not given. Freedom is
It's
taken.
taken, yes.
Yes. So what you, like I keep still on my point, we can talk, we can complain, we can say, you have enumerated how many governors in Imo State. Still the same story name. So even what makes anybody think that, oh, by 2023, if we were by 2023, that we are going to, the governor who will come will do all these things. No. That's why they are campaigning for 2023 election in 2021.
Yes.
To brainwash people, for people to start having that picture. You see your youth now, they will be writing on Facebook, hey, oh, now wait, let's wait 2023. We vote them out. Voters card, this and that and that and that. That is not going to solve the problem until there is what? A violent revolution. Freedom is not given, it is taken. That's the only, any day, Omer, mark my word. If not, we can complain, we can talk, and the solution will never come until the system, the system, Dokashia the system.
Brother, when are we going to do that? I'm a realist.
Yeah,
We are going to get Biafra, but if Dinilu Erika or Nukuogo, but Managa no chair one day. But in the meantime, brother, every day no, but one Abon in Nigeria, CJ UNTH, UNTH, J Park Lane, on when they go next week. If I had next week, if all not the farmer there, do you know how good the messed up? Everything the bad. If I be for government, you could see them, and then why kidney disease is easy, and they wajiru kufane carry. Nobody's talking about them. What are we going to do, brother? Eh? Aichebeka Biafra, Aichebeka mwe Biafra dibia edozi bife. Oge nyekwa insobu. Achom ka ine edozi ife ka Biafra webia. So it will be easy. That is my point.
How are we going to do it? Some of us, we do support people back home. We do train people in school, in university,
Good of you.
whatever. And,
That is very good of you.
Establish business and whatever. People like us, we do send people.
Thank you very much.
Invest on people, bring them to Europe,
Thank
bring
you.
them to America. We do all those things. But why some of us are still crying that now we have been able to find out for everybody to have what? A playing field. Whereby the same way we are enjoying in Europe, Amahonya, a big man. It's only when you tear down the system, then there is no government or no whatever, anarchy, chaos, revolution. Then we are going to take that freedom. That's how you take it by force. When you take that freedom by force, you decide what to do.
Thank you very much.
You have taken.
Caller
And
from
then
London,
you
United Kingdom. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you,
God bless
Odogu.
you.
Thank you for this conversation. Thank you. There is a guy at the comment section. He said that his Senator Ike Ekwuremadu is doing well. And if you look at this boy critically, he's unemployed. He doesn't have life. Nothing is going on for him. Where he comes from, people are suffering. People are dying. People are aimless, hopeless. People are living without vision where he comes from. But he might be one of the beneficiaries of 2,000 naira from Ike Ekwuremadu. So he's saying that Ekwuremadu is doing well. I don't know where we'll go from here. I do not know. We should go to USA. We'll go to USA. We'll come back. We'll go to Switzerland. From there, We'll return to United Kingdom and then come to Burkina Faso and then South Africa.
Hello.
Caller from USA. Good evening.
Good evening, Okurora.
Good evening.
Yeah, he I need now because black people, like you said, the irredeemable,
Yes.
the most stupid and foolish people they want to know.
Supported.
But just give me 1 minute. Let me read you something. Just 1 second. So here with the woman Tracy Zale or whatever, the woman that was attacking Africans for saying they would not take COVID-19 vaccination. So just I'm going just like 1 minute just to read it.
Yes. Okay.
She said Africans should be the last people to complain about COVID-19 vaccination. If Europeans wants to kill you, they would have done it long time ago. Coca-Cola products are from Europe. Even KFC and many other food production companies. Europeans produce majority of the food you eat, including baby formula. If they want to kill you, they would have done it long time ago. The only thing that we produce in Africa is baby. This is why you even have baby making weather and eye blanket. Relax, nobody wants to kill you, for goodness sake. You are not that important and you are not a threat. Okay, I'm fine. If you don't want the vaccine, you are welcome to develop yours. You can't even make a toothpaste or even a condom. You rely on China. So shut up and take the vaccine or die. So, Guinea can hear you now reply. Okurora, since 1960, we discovered oil to date.
Nothing.
We are still struggling. Just single Okurora. Do you know, even when my business, they can share Anambra, every morning you drive at least 1 hour, 30 minutes on a straight road. You know that?
Yes.
No, but I shit hole. Everybody, all hair broke loose. But that is what we are.
Honestly.
You can imagine where a governor is only in Nigeria that a governor will steal the state dry. At the end of the tenure, Yaga Tinet. Then when he or she is being sent to EFCC, the same court in that land will free the person unto the Wegiozu.
Yes.
And you see people, his hallelujah boy. The other day on the internet, somebody went to the airport to Willie Obianonaro. You know, the guy went there secretly, was videotaping the thing, then send there online. Somebody on the comment today, I say, now here I will hold picture. Then what I told the person is, why don't you send us the recent ones?
The recent ones.
Yes. Yasim Noji. It seems like you are Obiano Hallelujah boy. You see the problem here. The problem is not about being poor or being an old person or young person. The problem is about knowing what to do.
Yes.
People want something upstairs or Kurora. I carry 100. They want to hear upstairs. The same thing in Abia State. You go to Abia State, the place is the insanity everywhere. You go to hospitals or like this. It is only in Africa that somebody will work for 30 years and you owe the person. And you see the person driving a G-Class with a mopo going. It is only in Africa. The thing as I'm speaking, it is only in Africa that somebody will build 5-story building. Then Land Cruiser, it is only in Africa that somebody, that's Agamum Mother. We played football In I touch in Europe, I got not close to Messi.
Yes.
But you see people, at the end of the day, you play. One
My brother, Eje Muno were Jane Sudan Yam Stadium ne Bakwa. And when people bakari Cristiano Ronaldo na ball, but far ending as nothing nowhere now you need today. There is no opportunity. Rocha Sokorocha is close on Heartland under his regime. Heartland FC away.
That is true.
There is no encouragement.
There is no encouragement everywhere. Especially in Nigeria now. Nigeria. Nothing.
No basketball school, no badminton school, nothing.
All these things alone could have given jobs to at least 2 million people or 3 million. Okurora, what is it going to take these governors? Imagine when Mbappe was there in 80s with a little money. Aba, some part of Ebonyi State. In our time, and those roads that man we can exist almost 30 years after. You see people, Ojo Okalu came in, no nonsense from 1999 to 2003. No nonsense. Those roads never sustained here. And Okezi Bazu is giving excuse that those roads.
It's the worst.
Now the state you want acidic rain.
He's a madman. He's a madman.
These people, the only way, and you see people giving excuses because of agro. What do you expect people to do? Agro
again.
My friend, people need to tell themselves, "Mother, give 5,000 uwa." At the end of the day, when you need a good love for your medication and all that. You don't fake medication everywhere. Nothing is happening. You know, people need to start thinking like you said. A black man is the most wicked human being on this planet.
Yes.
Take it or leave it.
Yes. Brother, before you go, I was watching CNN earlier this year. You know, NBA, which is a basketball in America, it's one of the biggest businesses in this world. I don't know many businesses richer than NBA, the industry. Every year, na high school, na college, jene a draft players to NBA. And of them draft Umu Igbo 8. Umazi Igbo 8 ka draft into NBA this year. Obu na fan on a ban on Nicha. I got draft of her. And I to basketball in Anambra State. And I to Nimo. What is going on?
Okurora, finally, Lanya Gangwage. Nigeria. In the matter, Biafra, Nigeria. What about if we start building the nation, building your state? What stops us from connecting from Abia State? If you want to go to airport if you want to go to Enugu, you don't have to buy a bus. You can enter light rail. Light rail takes you to Enugu in less than 2 hours. You are there. You do your business. You come back and go home. The same way you are connected to the whole state.
Southeast.
Those monies are there. But you see, these people employ people they
yes.
They employ people you can imagine. I have said it time with that number. It's not about old person or young person. It's about somebody knowing what to do. These people don't have anything.
My brother, my fear now, before you go, my fear, all these idiot youths anyway. I want to go Biafra. They are going to frustrate us as well. We need to change who they are.
When you don't build anything, no roads. From Imo State, you can drive and go, no problem. Security, no. Yeah, everything is upside down. People are thinking like animals. Even Nnamdi Kanu, the Madu Zoo. Zoo self na enwe ezigbo nni ya.
Ana enwe nni nwo ọkụ dị nọ na ime zoo, ọkụ dị there. They have light.
Ọkụ dị na zoo. You cannot come there and steal any animal. He should change it to games reserve. If he should change it to games reserve. Game reserve buffalo jide nnama jide buffalo ya adọwa ya. Cheetah jide onye nka ya adọwa. Eat as you want. Onye Nigeria wo. We cannot continue like this. I have sworn any governor, anyone, I'll tell you your system. The last time I was speaking to Amaju Pinnick in airplane.
A very useless man.
I was telling him, what about anyị bịa change football Nigeria kpọbata anyị but if you keep sending him message ya kwụsị pick call ga-ekwusi ime ihe because they don't have anything upstairs to provide.
They don't.
I was playing soccer here anọ m na-agba bọọlụ here so ma emerụ ahụ akpọrọ m gaa na eme MRI mee ihe niile achọpụta na enwere m small ihe na my tailbone a na-enye gị ọgwụ amara gị bete iru na Naijiria ugbu a were ọgwụ osisi were ọgwụ ihe a na-ama gị na-eme ịma ihe na-eme gị ụta ka a lot of injuries ichi na-eme ihe so hospital adịghị ọkụ adịghị mmiri adịghị gị na-agbapụ na Naijiria ka m hụrụ ebe a nọ na-agbapụ borehole a na-agbapụ borehole somebody he provided a borehole. Somebody issue from local government. Say you know she local government. You have to come and settle before getting a borehole. What kind of useless?
My brother, na October, ike kwere mmadụ je nwe ebe ọgbapụ borehole. Were in fact, eji wee tinye banner na billboard ike kwere mmadụ dị ka nke borehole. You can imagine na 2020, almost all the countries in on the one were running water. I can agbapụ borehole. Borehole nke ba agbapụ ma amadi 80 years buru bucket ochuo buru ya n'ishi na babia na 2021 udego Nigeria nwe Jesus
Okwurara, let me shock you. Enwere mgbe m na-anọkọta anyị tara ahụ na Nigeria agara bịa enwere nke m gara ebe na store ebe so ebu m otu waterproof enwere m azụrụ m mmiri so ihe m mere wụ buru mmiri ahụ dọsa n'isi m normal thing na na-eme na Nigeria ndị mmadụ na-ele m ka onye ahụ ọ dịkwa ya a na-ele m ebe m bụ mmiri n'isi ka ahụ ọ dịkwa this guy. You understand where I'm coming from? They look at us like, nah, I don't understand. These things are, and you see people, even the people in diaspora self is not even helping the matter. When they come back, they still follow the same route. Going to abroad, America, it does not. It's all about knowing.
Thank you very much. Caller from USA. I love your call.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Where do we go from here? Onwe ife ndị ba ya mara ọ dị ka ka m sụọ Igbo. Ịbịa n'obodo Igbo ebe unu bi onwe ya na-akpọ soccer school. Soccer school abụrụ soccer academy. Soccer school bụ ọ bụ na ọ na-eme idobe ite nne n'ụlọ nwa gị nwoke gbaa ya ụkwụ. Mana ọ na-eme edobe remote TV ọja ya. Ụmụazị na-aja ife nwa gị 3 years 4 years na-aja ife. Ịda na ịkpọgara ya na basketball school or badminton school or handball school. Ndị nke na-agba ya ụkwụ ebe akpọfe eje bụ basketball soccer school and all that. Ụdị ife adịrọ na bai onye ọbụla ama nlụ na bank onye ọbụla ama m trade bitcoin onye ọbụla ama mbụ yahoo boy onye ọbụla ama mbụ ron scale onye ọbụla ama mbụ nwa ọmọ ọsịsọ. All these things are happening because of unemployment. A lot of you na-ata afụ n'India na ịma agba bọọlụ. A lot of you in Indonesia 6 months ị nọ n'ime na-epụtabala iro ịma agba karat ịma egwu mmiri. You can jump. But Nigeria doesn't have such opportunities. Because when we fed that the Aboku now, also now these governors, the useless, their commissioners, their SA, their chief of staff are equally useless. I cannot work under Willie Obiano, Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi, Hope Uzodimma because I think differently. Open a good initiative or plan, see Your Excellency. Kejelo soccer school or badminton school or basketball academy and all that. They are not going to listen to me because they think poorly. Where do we go from here? Nothing is working. Common electricity. Nigeria became a country. It's not a country. They had independence in 1960. This is 2021. No road, no running water. 2021, sitting senator, Choribu governor, former deputy senate president in our borehole. Any country in the world in 2021, ebe na ifo tap pay ya mmiri wuo. I got toilet pia ya ko flush ya. Ije na bathtub gbanye mmiri oputa. Ije ba na echi eze uwonye tap mmiri puta. Somebody's telling me that Ike Ekweremadu is trying. Ike Ekweremadu after this tenure is going to be 20 years in National Assembly. What did Ike Ekweremadu do for Igbo people? And the 6 senators in Enugu and Anambra, Chimaroke Nnamani. And of course, Ike Ekweremadu, Chukwuka Otazi, Ifeanyi Ubah, Stella Odua, Uche Ekwunife. They are the 6 senators representing Anambra and Enugu in National Assembly. I have before today. Even the past senators, people who were there before them. Onye ọbụla Enugu Anambra Expressway liri isi ya. Obariaga Dinishi, these senators, now their families. Not just the senators, their families. We are getting their families involved because they are part of those eating our money. They go to Germany today, they fly to USA tomorrow. They take a private jet from North Africa to South Africa. They go from this continent to the other, for this region in Africa to the other. How long are we going to continue to condone this nonsense? It's becoming too much. It's becoming unbearable. No electricity. Nobody's talking about job in Nigeria. You survive either by hook or by crook. It was 31st December 2020. People went to the church to hear from their men of God, their seer, their prophet, their sorcerer. People who hear directly from God and all that. Instead of your pastor, your daddy Gio, your minister to tell you that your problem is not from heaven or from hell, that your problem is from your government, they continue to make you to shout amen, amen, amen. And next year, this year, 31st December 2021, a lot of us are going to go back to church and shout to amen. After amen, 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 your road is not going to be built. Electricity will not come. Jobs will not come. Your hospital will be worse. Your schools will be worse. Your governors, your senators, your local government chairman, your president, your ministers, and their families are going to be richer. You know it, amen, amen. Something is categorically, obviously, critically, fundamentally wrong with a typical black man. I am a black man, but I'm not proud of my color due to the way we reason. I can assure you that. We go to Switzerland. Caller from Switzerland. Good evening. Good evening, one name. Odogu, I greet you. I greet you. Odogu, you want a woman. I'm not Odogu.
Yeah, what to be always done with too many. Like guys, I go topic, but what else I wear a Kunkan, went part and Dana Chiachigatagan. My own suggestion, I had to make better time. I went to check. Like this guy, revolution again need. I need revolution true. But one thing, another thing, they got before revolution. Mindset is very important. Because even the revolution, what I had to hear my last time as NSAS,
it will happen again.
Mindset you have to have before you start a revolution. You have to have a code. You have to know you are right. The citizens they are right, and then Nigeria are right here today. That's why somebody get one hour and you get more than a tribe because some more than a right here. More than a grandmother, they want a village. No, you can't call
yes. And the idiot might even be unemployed. Nonsense.
Yeah, I'm going to use yesterday. What I create you service clearance. I want to change the program or whatever. When I travel without information because they want to network. They don't care. On the last day, when young girl finish school, we have this girl because on wrong information. These are the wrong last day. All these people never in Nigeria. They politicians I have too much free hand. And politics in Nigeria, the two, you get Dubai, then I join this. More than 10 years. That's why we win the election. First thing we do Thanksgiving.
No.
Thanksgiving. If you want to win the election, when they Thanksgiving. I'm not a Western world, they start to draft what we have to do. They have to take too much.
Yes.
But in Nigeria, politics, we in that place, I ban those only politicians. Governor, another party. Now, PDP board of trustees.
Yes.
Everywhere. Feel you're comfortable. Another problem is look at now. Wonder another thing that these people. China cannot help us. That is simple truth. Mandi chigulaki mandana China. Hengolo had to qualify. Hengolo the idea undoli.
Yes.
They can never. Watch out. Somebody like you.
You see, Emmanuel Iwanya was shameless man. Shameless man.
You want cause like confusion like convention church. Then I think more good. Can I who are in the mother now listen down? I'm here the mother. Give you people jaggle on the people with problem.
Brother, this call is not clear. It's not clear. It's not coming out. It's not clear. It's not clear. I don't know why that is the case. It's not coming out at all. It is not coming out. I don't know where we'll go from here. I'm not happy. I am not happy. Who do we bring? Let's go to Republic of Ireland, and we hope that our brother will call back from Switzerland. I love to talk to him, but his network is breaking on mine. My Wi-Fi expired, so I have to find a way to pay them tomorrow. It's over 40,000 naira. Caller from Republic of Ireland. Good evening. Onye ọma ịnọkọ ọkụkọ Limerick ka Dublin. Ebe ka ị n'Odogwu?
Dublin.
Dublin. Ngwa gaa n'iru onye ọma. Gaa n'iru.
Yeah. No, Okulola, thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Thank you.
You know, Emma, the politicians say, "Mwa have evil. Evil do not matter to have." You got to go. You know, in a load, ilo. Onwebo hodulo da lodia. Onwo hodila na alwe ba at all. You got to go.
Yes.
Nda agba ekwensu a na-afụ anya ha ncha bụ. You got to.
Yes.
Ebia here, if you can say alu ilo. You got to. If you lie a cha or no 50 years, I no maintenance. Onya wilo, you got to go. But
Yes.
look at if you find your banner, make it an Anambra State, or senator, or governor.
Yes.
You got to go. People need now form for job, people are now saying, "Na Korea." You got to go. Onwo hezbu ilo do dia, onwo hezbu no ogu do dia. The same thing with the governor. Onwere oge ha bịara here. Njụọ ha ka ha ya gwa m ezigbo ụlọ ọgwụ dị na Anambra State. Ife this governor mepụtagoro. Nwobere oge na ọpụ onye ọzọ abatakwa. Ife a ka ya dị eme onye apụọ, onye abata, onye apụọ, onye abata. Ịghọtago? Onweghị ụlọ ọgwụ dị dia. You know, my mother Lia Ebuje private hospital. My father Lia Ebuje private hospital. But ebe nwere governors, ebe nwere senators. You got to go. So I want to here now. Kulun didn't know you know. Now Kulun na you go no. Now Kulu now. You know, to people. Why not being with governors and senators?
It's a shame.
You got to. You know, so all the very.
My brother, the youth, everybody na Chovisa obodo Igbo na ma ụmụ ọma si some ụmụ nwoke. Anyị nwekwe future.
Okulola, the youth I mumana say make a matter 70% of the youth I ha chọghọzi ịmụ ọrụ. Ife ha chọrọ wee pụta obodo oyibo. Onwehokwa onye mụnwa gbochiri ịpụta obodo oyibo, ịchọkwa ịpụta obodo oyibo. Ịghọtago?
Yes.
So na ọnụ nwere ife iji were abịa obodo oyibo. Ịpụta bịa fụkwa ife ndị ọzọ na-afụ here.
Yes.
Ịghọta nna enwere ezigbo ife onwe ife dị na dia. Ọrụ aka dị na be anyị dia. Ọrụ aka dị dia. But ha ma achọghọzi ịmụ ọrụ aka. O nwere meseji send before.
Yes.
Ịghọtago? Ije kịta na ala Igbo anyị ndị na-amazi tais akwa ịgba tais a na-ama n'ụlọ. Ozi ndị ụmụazị Kotonu na-alụzie.
Ma ndị Benin Republic. Ndị Kotonu, yes.
Europeans. Plastering. Ịghọtago? Ife ego beta ụmụazị be anyị achọghọzi ịlụ ụdị ọrụ a. Ịghọtago? Onweghị ụlọ a na-alụ kịta na ala Igbo ọ Nigeria. Ahịa eyuzo tais. Ife awụ ife ụmụazị Kotonu na-emeki big money. Ịghọtago? But ụmụazị be anyị achọghị ịlụzie. So ka eke ihe esinyezili ha aka na ebe ha achọghị ịlụ the thing, ebe ha achọghị ịmụ the thing, just few ya ga-achọ ịlụ the thing. Ịghọtago? So ọ dị very bad. Nke ndị gọvanọ a na-ekwu nke ha Obiano ya apụkwana kịta another person aba.
Okay, Obiano ga-etinye mmadụ is a routine.
So ọ pụọ na onye ọzọ abata. Very wicked people. O nwere ife anyị na-eme here ndị Anambra State mere here. Emeri invite this man abịala here. Ịghọtago? Ọ bịala here ife o mere ugbo jebe America ije graduation nwa nwaanyị. Ọmụma na nna efole oje America mee graduation nwa nwaanyị si anyị na ọ ya abịa n'ihi ya. Imo ego no spendri dia na-esendela anyị $5,000. a whole Anambra State Association in Ireland on a send the $5,000. That na any day this man ya be here no man or ya be on island no onwe like there or ya be in island na e what onwe he ke be island. You know, so not the thing. I were a very big problem there. Even common light. All quad ho. Oza adro, mmiri adro. E what go? Elu no be e gbapuo mmiri.
My brother, I'm asking our people. You know? Okay, Ofonya when you go there can go me phobia no me in Anambra State in 8 years. Gwabo free ife. Obia no Diego Anambra for 8 years. Don't worry.
If you can do those people obia here na campaign really. Ha mechi sure no ifele na eme ha. Say ha see about
one thing, you know, brother. So, brother, Anambra 8 years ezugo turn Anambra to Dublin. Anambra we ego nwanne. And somebody cannot tell me one thing Obia no mere as a governor.
Onwe anything no melody if I na-eme there if nda we vo nda do very wicked. Hard wicked.
And we allow them. The point, they can be wicked, but we are sluggish. We are foolish. How can my governor be wicked? My mother is dying because of bad hospital. I am at risk every day due to bad roads. And we are telling me that they are wicked. We need to be wicked as well. How many governors do we have in Southeast? 5. How many citizens do we have in Southeast? Millions. And 5 governors and 15 senators are our problem. And we are saying that they are wicked. Who is not wicked? I am Okulor and wicked when the need be. Everybody should be wicked. We need to know when to deal and when to fight. This is when to fight. Will you be not come? If Jega Anambra State made for 8 years. If you governor Enugu State more than 5 years now. If Jega Rochas Okorocha, you've been in the Senate. You were governor of Imo State for 8 years. Where is the money? Ikedi or Hakim, all of them. Sam Egu, where are they? Theodoji, Ojo Sokalu, Okezie Ibazo. Are we going to continue to watch them because they are wicked? Brother, these things beat my imagination. I don't know where we'll go from here. It's embarrassing. Igbo people, they critical in thinking, powerful people. And we are being taken for a ride by stupid people called wicked or something. It doesn't add up. We need to do something critically, very, very fast. We need to.
We need to do something. The only thing go have that na Mungwa on island there, Governor Anambra State, they visit you obodo na free. You got to go he came here, visit here or be occasion here.
The shame.
So ndị nọ n'ụlọ ọ abịa nye ha small money ha na esogharị ha n'azụ ịghọtago so ọ do very bad, you know. Mụnwa na-ekene ego na ezigbo ife.
Thank you nwanne m, thank you very much. Onye ọma na Dublin ya baalụ gị. Thank you very much. A very good man from Dublin, Republic of Ireland. Where do we go to? We need to go to, should we go to the state of Israel? We should go to the state of Israel. We'll come from Israel. I take 2 more calls, maybe one from South Africa and one from France. And then we are going to greet you and come back later. Hello, caller from Israel. Good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
Odogu.
Thank
you very much.
I'm watching your program today. Yauruna, imagine my war. I'm going to go now. I'm a mobile Grega. Also, in your name,
oh, Big 1992. Oh, Big, yes.
In your name, Manisha, Yunaka, Unyata, La Chukwota.
Yes.
Yotago. So, in your name, Manisha, Yunaka. Because Yauna, you need them or the command there you now. Eh? All these politicians in area like this. Oh, that is why you want one mind. Ban him. Oh, bubu. I ain't buha.
Brother, what ain't buha? I ain't what ain't anybody. All we need to do is reasonable.
Okay. Yes, I want to continue to connect like this. All the kebe and a channel round.
Brother, the easier brother. Oh no, but let me tell you the truth. In on Israel, I'm on the buy. you ikwuo na ị chọrọ igbu anybody ọkwa ndị youth ifo kịta ga-anara ego buru ụzọ gbuo gị. What we should be talking about, Willie Obiano pụta na ọ na-eme campaign, nobody will come there. Ike ekwere mụ na pụta, ike nkere whatever pụta nwere ga-atụpụrụ ya ọnụ. If we cannot boycott, we cannot kill. A na-ekwu okwu igbu ndị a, nobody is going to do that. Yes.
Okay now, ịpụta kwuo ya na asị, okay, onye apụta, I could have believed, remember the time Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru na no election onwe ga-apụta. But some people pụtara for it. You know, so that is the problem I know.
Ibukonebu is not possible. I'm not even advocating for anybody to be killed. I want our people to be reasonable. My brother, Iwopugodi ndị a na-achị anyị kịta, youth anọkwa ebe a amara ife, they can run the states down. A na-ekwubu youth inclusion, brother. Ịkpọrọkwa nwa okorobịa na-amara ife tinye, you will be worse than Willie Obiano. Nwa okorobịa can be worse than Buhari. All we need is people who reason. I chọrọ people who my ife. People who may understand the life football. They need to do what is right. They need to make sacrifice for things to be right. Israeli, you know what happened in 1948? How Israel came back and reclaimed their land. They fought. Everybody fought.
Yes.
Onye na-achọrọ igbo egbe na Israel wete ego. Ejenu the whole Jewish community no one. They raised money. They prepared the army. They went back. They conquered Arabic people. They fought everybody. And they took their land back. And today you are comfortably living in Israel. Oh, if I need it, but our people are not ready. They are foolish. Very foolish.
That is the problem. And besides, our youth, this our youth can help. My brother, he watch sometimes, even like our community, maybe more. For a long time, any like march, organ. But more decided they can host that march so that cameraman get picky some of the boys who wear that star ball, you know. But they didn't know that some of the youth they are against it. You know, some of the youth they are against it. Okay, right now, you do poetry, so that at least I mean like 30 workers na that poetry. Can go in kill okay, man. Some of the youth got zoom motion.
My brother, look at Ifeanyi. Somebody na gwam na Obiano loro flyover n'Awka. So now flyover before Obiano no Anambra for 8 years. Our people, the way we reason, brother, no Obiano loro flyover n'Awka. Obroko no flyover no ife moto ji agafe nke ọzọ n'enu. A na patch every 6 months. Every 6 months abịa patch ya. Ọchị da patch ya.
Let the only solution I get you with this people. As now our people get ekwe. My nwoke, my wife, my youth, my water, even in their poke, nobody will answer them. You know what I mean? During like this campaign now, we know about for it. Then I am going to follow that person. Yeah, the person.
Brother, they will come out. They will come out. They will come out in millions. I can assure you. I'm here. We have a problem to deal with. There are millions. They will come out. Habia yicha kwa Apuga, ndị Apuga, PDP, APC, and Abari. These are the people we are fighting for, dying for.
All these people are demons. All these people no channel too. So ina go ekunte kwimo nwenye na anu ya because ha niile no channel too.
Asi na ọkụkọ na-eti mkpu abụrụ ka egberapụ nwa ya aka kama na ọkụwa n'onu ya. All of us mana ọkwifu Europe ụzọ dị mma efu dị useless now. Hope ụzọ dị mma. On a normal circumstance, no Opposodema should have no business with governance. My brother, I'm putting Imo State, Kita, and I'm going to hope Opposodema as a governor. And we can the whole Imo State, my man with 20 votes. You know, just can't do hope Opposodema voter. My brother, I'm the type of person that I can die in the process. Sacrifice, understand. That is why in Jinona, Nigeria, now one day not you over there is Yoku. They can kill me tomorrow. I don't care. But the people I'm fighting for, talking for, dying for, they won't even give me 20 votes. If you oppose them, millions of votes, and you are telling me that black people are normal, how?
I'm with a problem.
I'm with a problem. Thank you very much. I've told you the whole truth. Caller from Israel, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Black people are useless. You know, our problem is our own making. It's in our hands. So you shouldn't blame Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hello, welcome back, caller from Switzerland. Your network was breaking before, or rather your line was breaking.
Yeah, cool. Thank you for giving me another second chance.
Thank you very much.
Like before one is a problem. Another problem like he somebody will be another flyover. Okay,
every 6 months an Apache on a cheetah. In a
real sense, this thing governor on a Western world, governor this thing. Minister of Work, governor Nigeria, because governor Nigeria the whole affairs of the state. Now you decide to fly over. Now you decide they want to buy a patch. Governor Ababa church and the whole Nigeria because of no they go in the state and they resource here. In a Western world, when we are the governor of Iraq, governor Yana Chizuri Kiamon tunnel somewhere here. Don't take it all work. But these people got on members of a party. They resource go. Ndana Chiachana Kokanda Balogulisi, Ndana Chiacho problem. Ndana Chiamariana legacy, legacy of Nigeria. Nobody in a state, the legacy.
Brother, Nigeria governor, sitting governor Ghana company, private company. N'Enugu state keta ifeanyi ugwu anyị na arụ state ebe niile wit afia ka o ji alụ ya. Ọ bụrụ nke ọ na-arụ n'afọ mmadụ. Governor of Enugu state na arụ state n'afọ ya nwa private investment, a sitting governor. Who does that? And eme.
Because the problem today on number one priority. And then the problem when I go like one guy in the last time. And then that's problem then I do Nigeria. Because I go to more expect here not try can settle all families can call no more as a work on Nigeria. I'll put these people. I go then I take of ma. They are the problem. That's why you have to govern on about more than 8 jeeps
with the two power bike. Will you be another Apokodike one? Will you be another?
I need 2 years. I need 2 years for they gonna got nothing. These people just wasted the economy, the whole continent. Let's think people around every day. People are not no can anywhere. Anywhere.
And that one we do.
Anyway, I don't know.
I'm on 9 week here. I need no Fananya. Thank you very much, caller from Switzerland. God bless.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Let's go to London and see. There is a call from London. Caller from London. Good evening.
Good evening,
Onyoma Dalu Wandem. Dalu.
Okulora Kekime.
Odi Modogu.
Okulora Kekime.
Odi, good evening. I can hear you well. I'm fine. Go ahead.
Hello?
I can hear you, brother, if you're there.
Okay. Okay. Because ndị utu anyị so mana ka ngwa gị the main problem anyị nwere na Igbo anyị bụ ndị ụka anything ka iwetara program ka ọ bụrụ one program a ga-eme problem anyị nwere na be anyị bụ ndị ụka bụ ọkwefu na ala Igbo anyị na-eme na ọ dịrọ mma kịta bụ ndị ụka na Nigeria adịrọ mma kịta bụ ndị ụka ọ bụ na ndị ụka mekọta wee na-agwa politicians nke bụ eziokwu because all mindset ndị ụka all these pastors and bishops all mindset aka all these individuals in a use kita will me. Oh, you have a now. You understand me?
Yes.
You have a hamuma, you boutique, Igemenka, it's a governor, it's 20 years. You want to go, governor, governor, I don't know, can make campaign.
Yes.
After coming to campaign for 4 years, on us to go back, on what we hollow. There are no campaign of youth here, gadgets here. Problem. Yeah, but the major problem I know because this will not happen. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Will not draw like that. All this will not happen. And just like you said, nothing like Ago, Kangun, and Zoku. ọ bụrụ na agụụ na agụụ ga-enye gị 2,000 iwe bịa tụọ vootu for 4 years.
4 years.
Or that 2,000 now keep then after 4 years I back again. So I because after 2,000 now, the 4 years I what he had you go here and the bany punona and the banya for the and this all we have on the can the touch Nigeria.
You're right.
As I'm here for possible 5 and direct on what on the Nigeria. Here na banya drum market religion no can all this Christianity. I'm going to joke. If we got 31st and 1st January, he can make
Amen.
You know, drop us to Slina, Maya, Grihanalo. Come to Europe here. Those pastors, all those my favorite fathers, and a jollo, pastors near John over that. Only General Negego, going to with that. Even an Negego self now. Everything, never for us, and just small money, small little amount of money. On the my hand and the top my heart or even. Usane, one aloe. In a portal, make it no women, cafe. In the report, under 2 days, I belong. Just not report, you're from Monia, Angela computer, report to this thing. I don't send your mothers, but after 2 days, I wanted it. That is how it works.
My brother, what is the problem with black people? Black people are the one day. That is the issue.
None of the one at all. None is one cannot think has sneak a woman. I know I really am money. And until I sign even though these pastors and bishops know. How are we what on those? How are Nigeria, Igbo land? Because these people make a time masses. What can you hold on? If you can look all these politicians are on overnight. Because they can do a congregation. But nobody can have it. If you can say now blue hammer, now and then move on. That's all I want a man alone and a man on Doka, what on those.
You're right. And
with that sanitizing Doka, what do you got in that country? Trust me, you're not reality. Japan from now to that kingdom come. What do you get, man?
Thank you very much. You are right. Caller from London. Thank you very, very much. He's right. Somebody's going to be a governor for 8 years. He's going to be responsible. He's not going to do anything. And after 4 years, he's going to return to church. And the people there at the church are going to pray for him and tell the congregation to vote for him and all that. And the evil is going to continue to happen. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? I should take just one call before I go. My time is up already. The time is up. I need to go to... +92 is where? Where is +92? Go to +92. Then we'll continue. Where do we go to? +92. Who is +92? That's where we'll go to now. +92. Let me go to +92 and say. And then maybe we take one more before I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today, I hope we've been able to convert some people, to tell some people that it is proper to reason. Or being foolish is never going to take you anywhere. Praising an irresponsible governor is not going to take you anywhere. Hello, good evening, brother. Where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Pakistan.
Pakistan, Islamabad. Odoguna Pake. Anu mekene go nyoma. Onye olu ebube dalu.
Yeah.
Dalu.
When biko aka aigba nke anyị aigba na onwe anyị eziokwu na-enu inu. Eziokwu na-enu inu. There is no nation in this world that have that development without revelation.
Yes, you're right.
Nowhere in the world.
Supported.
Country. When they have every revelation, then they have built a grassroots to chapel corruption. Even our youth are corrupted because of their masters in governors in the offices everywhere. How do you go corrupted? And my God is your if you don't know, that is the only solution is
inwe that revelation a ga-egbu mmadụ mmadụ ka ga-egbu ọgụ ebido
brother but revolution is a joint effort people na agbakọta nwanne let me tell you brother you too my fene Enugu a na-eruro 10 I swear with my life how easy can we get revolution ebe people are eche echiche yes
EndSARS ya nwa emere people pụtara and all the same youth aha ka ndị governors ka ndị this politician use kwere ka abịa kụsa ihe a na-eme pịghọtara ọ bụrụ na emesịa dati EndSARS ya akarị ya on aga forward the only solution na ana Igbo anyị bụ that liberation as crash ya ndị from grassroots kpochapụ ha na generation ha and you move forward without that in next 300 years ihe a na-eme in the name even man you nwere Biafra today enwe that revelation government change ya ekpochapụ ha napụtakwa ihe ha ji ihe ụmụ mmadụ ha ji
yes
then move forward without that ihe niile anyị na-akọ anyị kọrịjie na anyị akọrịjie na-akọ ka ndị mmiri na-eri bụ that is akọcha anyị ebe a ka ọ dịkwa the isiokwu bụ opi that revelation dash onye ọmụmụ onye ihu onye azụ ma youth onye ọbụla achara a na-ekwu nke a onye ha ameghị ọ na-ada ozugbo a na-eme ya eme ofu mmadụ na-enwe ofu obi because onye ji agba ike nye ha ego n'azụ anọzighị ndụ onye ji eje sa ha ga-eme nke anọzighị ndụ move forward country aga n'ihu. That is the only solution.
Thank you. Onye ọma na Islamabad.
Nothing.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Caller from Islamabad, Pakistan. Thank you very, very much. Somebody has been calling from Germany. We need to show him respect. Caller from Germany. Good evening, brother. Onye ọma na Germany. When you want to go for back call again, soon before Mbappe or Sanamona Yeku. When you one.
Although Okulola can go on the by, I can't make out of experience because Nigeria be the only way before we have. The greatest problem I know by no will Kahano back or will lady who didn't want to buy a position I have enough. Okay, me Ghana Nesi Abuja every month. Osboy Luta Eketageka is wake hair na Kanaka. It's your Kanaka. Eketazie ife ya afọ no nke ya afọ si na o wori si ọ na-emezi onye ọ na-agbu because ọma ife ọ yinchi ewe eme so na ya ebidogodu akawagodu ndị a na-abịa eke ego gọọmenti nya number 1 number 2 aka na-ekwusi ọdụrụ njọ na anyị kpọbatara foreign ke ha na expatriate ka ọ bịanyere anyị aka n'ọchịchị because okwe ha ya eme Okulola eziokwu ka nne
you are right
ebe ọ na ya haya foreign coach haya foreign nka onweghị ife ọjọọ na
ekpọta na onye ọcha ka ọ bịa bụ gọvanọ ebe a ọkwa coach anyị bụ onye ọcha
Okulola ka m gwa eziokwu nọ na nteta onwe ka m si pụchata video Anambra steeti for example ọ bụ onye Anambra onwe ka mmadụ si metụ live video ebe ahụ ine kata deti ya dụ n'ilo then ana m ajụ gọvanọ anyị si n'obi Amerịka at least onye biri Amerịka ma at least ọgụ na ọ maka ife n'onwe mana ibiri Amerịka at least ịtọgoro ya mana iro na agụdo ọcha why not go wee bụrụ okwu aka ọbụ n'aka esi ha ngwa ego ne ka eji wee sọkapụ ire mana ọma mme then ana m ajụ onye ọmakwụrụ isi na o ji wee bata ilo oke ijekịta ebe onye soro onye ọgba fensi ebe o soro onye ọlụlụ nke gọvanọ inweghị ike implement one single rule ya asị mgbe bifo iru ụlọ ebe ahịa abịachi ekike mmadụ na nke n'ụzọ nwere ike ịga ebe echi ma ọbụka onweghị nke onye ọnwụ na-emeri ka o si kuchi ya ka ịkwanụ rizin eji wee vote go ede so ife niile ha na-ekwu is like general na the whole Nigeria ọ bụrụ sọ na east anyị this problem to general the whole
but we are worse brother we are worse. My brother, Anambra State were more billionaires than any state or province in Africa. Anambra the too wealthy to be dirty. Anambra in particular. For 2 years. I don't go there. Onitsha the too toutish. And we can whoop you like an hour for your aburum tonana. I may jab him there. What are you going? You want to send it in Onitsha?
Okay, you know, you are walking alone and New York. I'm going to look at people high within 3 months. If on Aja Hiplunila, Hanagopila at the end, one small place when we were with the Colota. Can you maybe you could men I but I don't know. That is now black people with
problem. One game about best scholar today. Brother, listen, coach but Nigerian basketball Bonyocha, coach Super Falcons Onyocha, coach Super Eagles Onyocha. Eje bota na Onyocha ka obia bo governor na Anambra na Enugu ma buru senators o karama ka manu bu enwe fa game.
See, me go to the Minister of Town Planning or Minister of Development. I think they go be
yes, Abia.
South Africa, Jebendoji, it's a difference.
Doji, thank you, brother. Thank you very much. You have much power. No, thank you. Doji, no problem. Doji, amaye. Vote me 4 years. Akamo, what do you mean for 4 years? E potakwa ozo achinyeru ga kenu. Ijekwe na church ahi je 4 years ago. Pastor no dey mo ukochukwu mother the GO man is useless. Mana ya asikwa na Chineke si na onye aga achi ijekwa ozo. After being governor for 8 years, he na Senate. We can just 12 years in a Senate. A minister. From there, he tried deputy vice president. From there, he's a president. It's na black people, Chineke, Chukwekweni Fojo. That was a big problem. Let me go to Republic of Ireland. Before I go, I must go to Republic of Ireland, my last call today. After Republic of Ireland, I'm going to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from. One night, I'm a for more than 1 hour. Ndoji, our people, they cannot reason. My brother, people who can reason in Enugu are not more than 10. I'm a generator, even on 25 December, my birthday, and nobody's complaining. Everything that is bad is becoming a norm in Igbo land. I'm not talking about north or west or south. I'm talking about southeast. Eje mo oka na January 1st. Moto mde na mechanic because esi menugu jo oka. Moto pialie. Underneath, everything condemned. And it's costing more than 100,000 naira. How long are we going to continue to suffer and remain mute? Amamuni fane mebo ne mena double in a BB. One I don't know where to go from here.
This topic he put today, because all the was just connected with he put the last time when I got sanitized some people's head. You remember? One day he make it that topic. Now, one question and we need to understand. Problem this man is from America, but all the go exposed, but always one secret who na maro. In my hand about oath of office. And when this oath of office, overall the same thing in Dutch and oath of office, oath of office. The problem starts from that oath of office. In your hand now, the problem I know when they do from that oath of office, because that's in our have, we got for you see the more about maybe you understand what I'm saying? You got for you, okay. I believe from Biafra, or okay. But in my live video the other day from Anambra Nabia, I was opportune to serve in the north. Okay? When me use service from Kano, from Kaduna, which is Zaria, in Agakano, you wake him a Chianya, Wowza, in Abu Dua carriage, the biggest Dua carriage ever. You wake him a Chianya, from Kaduna to Kano. You know what I'm saying? Are you trying to tell me no about the same federal road?
Oh, the same.
Our problem upon this, our brothers, and I said it the other time. This our brothers say, Diego, Diego, and don't we have a million now, my brother who from Dublin now. Don't we have my una for who Austin, governor of Anambra State, Nahamele invite Nanambra been a diaspora. he may invite will $5,000 or 5,000 yeah. I the boy could that I put him.
Yes.
Okay. Kedu ka oge si welu ego ga-eji lụọ ụzọ ịma ndị be anyị amaghị ihe sometimes ihe na-esi ha n'ọnụ na-apụ ego Anambra ga-eji lụ ka iwelu ji nye ndị diaspora ka wele eme gị
for what?
No, let's start from there.
Yes.
No, now you want to go my direction.
Yes.
Utako oge si nye ndị Anambra na Switzerland. Utako si nye ndị Anambra na United States. Utako oge si nye ndị Anambra na ya. Ihe a bụ ego ga-eji lụ local government ka a na-abịa eku na wele je one mile na Dublin, wele je one mile na Zurich, wele je one mile na Berlin. Ndị diaspora suppose iweta ego na-abịa community, not government iwere ego nye ka unu. This is the ihe Udoka has to read the money. Man, how much you put this thing? I'm so disappointed within the bank. You know what I'm talking about? You know, not the same governor of Anambra State with a 5,000 you could you put in my village? Let me tell you, let me shock you a little bit. Ask any young man, not you know why, get yellow no yana wunye again. Or blue so. If we may not age meeting in my village. Only a young boy, each no one, yellow tone or get a wunye because I actually can't control young men able nuisance. So, obuni di regi ge joto no. In one room ge na wunye gi bi. I just stick in say one room ge na wunye gi bi. Then chelo because ni man no kateba bute moto mu 6. Now no ge na your father's house. Try to understand what I'm saying.
Yes.
We see all the diaspora, only muna be from diaspora. E wa moto 1.5 million, e get 500,000. So we do no bodo. E have him meleme o. As some neighbor motor 1.5 million, you double 500,000 as when you see from diaspora bata. So, Obon when mother 5 visit from diaspora, able motor 5 million, in 1 million. It may have my police post, my maternity hall. So we hope from people. Let's start holding people in account. Governor Onyage, we will take a henyage. And another thing, since he's a passport, only Obona into this executive office. Ha gazana check up n'obodo Igbo onye ọbụla gaba UNTH anya.
Yes.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Ituku ha je doro n'ituku there. Nonsense.
Onye ọbụla gaba UNTH onye ọbụla gaba Parkland ime ya otu a efu na all this Buhari onye ọbụla flies na out. Let us use our local equipment. If we'll go far with this. And before I finish, remember what I told you. Our young boys need ECG. Our brain anya. Oboro he will get young boy to one office. He said, "No get change. No, when get media because the system had the system won't be from the scratch. So when he clean, he money get clean entirely."
You're right.
That is it, my brother.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, at the comment section, tell me where you are watching from today. I'm done for today. I'm done. I've been here for 1 hour. 42 minutes and I have to catch up. It's over 6:30 already. Please, write at the comment section. Tell me the city where you are watching from. Those in Osnabrück, Germany. Those in Kaiserslautern, Cologne, Karlsruhe. Those in Darmstadt. Those in Wiesbaden. Those in Switzerland, Zurich. Those in Bern, Lausanne. Those in Adelaide, Australia. Those in Perth, Sydney, New South Wales. Those in Canberra. Those in Ontario, Canada. Those watching from Montreal, Vancouver, there in Canada. Write at the comment section where you are watching from. I am going to see you very, very soon. There are too many calls, but I obviously cannot take all of them. I'm going to see you later on tonight or maybe tomorrow. Nobody knows. It's difficult to broadcast in Nigeria. A lot of factors and all that. No electricity. It's fuel. These things are expensive. So if I don't come back tonight, it's going to be tomorrow, 7th of January, 2021. God bless you. And may God punish. May God make life difficult for everybody in top office, in high office, in low office, who is here siphoning wealth of people and allowing the people to die of hopelessness and all that. May God and may nature make life difficult for them. Thank you very much. See you soon.